In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of resolving the issue when Facebook Marketplace is not appearing or not functioning properly on your mobile device. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. So let's dive into the process. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. You should now be able to see the Facebook Marketplace icon. If it's not there, in the top right corner, tap on the three dots to access the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings. Scroll down the Settings menu and locate Navigation Bar. Tap on Customize the bar. Look for Marketplace in the list of available options and tap on it to pin it to your navigation bar. These methods should help resolve the issue of Facebook Marketplace not working or not appearing on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.